At naging matagumpay nga ba ang idinaos na eleksyon 2013? Pag-uusapan natin yan kasama siyempre si Professor Winnie Monsod. Tita Winnie, good morning po.
Good morning, Ivan. Good morning, mga kapuso. Alam nyo, in the final analysis, the test of the pudding is in the eating. In other words, titignan natin kung ilan ang magproprotesta. Sila ang nadaya Kung may nadaya, sila ang magproprotesta. For example, sa senatorial elections, Ivan, if una protests or does not protest, because of Dick Gordon ang number 13. Kung hindi magprotesta, ibig sabihin nun, una thinks that everything is all right. Hindi ba? And so for the local elections. Pero itong sinasabi natin yung 60-30-10, alam nyo mga kapuso, nung nabasa ko yan first time, sabi ko, there's nothing wrong with it because it's nationwide. Yung pagdating ng mga resulta sa transparency server is random, hindi ba? So I said, that's random. It should be all right. In fact, that should mean that it's okay. Pero kaya nung sabi ko, kailangan you have to test that on the local regional level. Tinest pala sa regional level. Hindi ko nakikita ang resulta. Pero ang sinabi sa akin, ganun rin ang pattern sa regional level. May problema na ako dyan. And alam nyo mga kapuso, this thing all could have been obviated if everybody could have seen that source code and reviewed it. Ayan ang problema. And that is, to me, the responsibility of COMELEC Chairman Sixto Brillantes, who thinks that I am very, very unfair because nag-interview ko siya ng 2 hours, tapos 30 minutes lang ang programa ko. Naku, Chairman Brillantes, let's talk to him now. He's on the phone.
Pasagutin na po natin. Tita Winnie, nasa linya na nga po ng ating telepono si COMELEC Chairman Sixto Brillantes Jr. Chairman, magandang umaga po.
Yeah, Ivan.
Opo, at saka po si Tita Winnie Monsod is also here.
Good morning, Chairman. My program is only 30 minutes. I talked to you for 2 hours kasi masarap ang usapan. Pero sinabi ko na sa inyo 30 minutes. At saka I want to assure you, Chairman, that I have nothing to do with the editing of that conversation. That's GMA Network. I have nothing to do. I only interview.
Chairman?
Analysis is mine.
Opo. Diretso na po natin sa tanong, Chairman. Unahin na po natin itong sinasabing 60-30-10 pattern. Can you comment on this? Nakita niyo na po ba ito?
Hindi pa. Pinaaral mo lang doon sa aming mga tao kung totoo yan. Although initially, parang may ganun ng pattern. Pero alam niyo, ang election dito sa Pilipinas talaga naman ganun eh. When you start with the Saudi-Sao, usually talaga may trending na yan eh. Usually ganun rin na nangyayari talaga as you move on to the later results, no? Kaya umpisaw po yan, yung transparency server namin. Pero when it came out initially, yun na rin ang nangyari actually. The same 12 people were really winning. In the senatorial party list, ganun din ho nakita namin kahapon. So, talagang ganun ho siguro. If a trend is created, I think the trend will follow through up to the end. No? Usually ka na naman.
No, alam nyo, Chairman, kagaya na sinabi ko kay Ivan, sa national, nakikita ko na pwede. You know, that trend is not necessarily suspicious. Pero pagdating natin sa regional, medyo mahirap na yon kasi may mga balwarte yan eh. May mga, hindi ba, there are people who are, you have command votes or whatever. Ang balita ko, pati sa regional, ganyan ang pattern. Ano kaya ang dahilan doon? That's no longer a trending thing.
No, you have to check. Ang trending ko starts when you look at the official result. It goes from the municipal to the provincial to the region to the national.
No.
Also sa national comes the precinct level, Apicos, election return goes to the municipal board of canvassers. Magkakaroon ho ng municipal certificate of canvass. Tapos pupunta ho yan sa provincial board. Magkakaroon ng provincial certificate of canvass. And then it goes to the national board. It's the Commission on Elections. So when you say there's trending, nag-uumpisa ho yan sa ibaba. So pag sinabi nyo may trending sa itaas, national level, ganun din ho yun kasi pinanggalingan nun sa ibaba eh. Hindi ho naman magbabago yan. But if you look what result from one province to another province, hindi ho naman magiging 60% consistent yan. averaging ho yan at the national level.
Ay, kaya nga eh. Pero, Chairman, ang source nito, hindi po yung provincial or municipal canvas. Ang source po nito sa transparency server. That means straight from the precinct to the server, hindi po ba? Ayan ang inanalyze. Ngayon, ang kinakatakutan ko po is that sinabi ko sa national wala akong problema. Pag ang regional ganyan rin ang pattern, may problema talaga yan. Hindi po ba? Because that merely means, and don't you think, Chairman, na kaya nangyayari yan eh kasi suspicious na sa inyo?
Ako yun. We cannot actually. We may suspect yun. That's why we're checking whether that's correct. No?
I hope so.
Tingin ko, since yung PCOS results from the precinct goes up directly to the national level, pupunta ko dito sa ating transparency server. Yan mo tinitingnan yung transparency server, which is direct from the PCOS. So nakikita na kagad ang national trend. Tapos nakikita rin when you go down, pababa ko naman ang tingin, no? Baliktad, pupunta ko kayo sa national transparency, then you go down. Go down. Nakikita nyo, ganun talaga lalabas, no?
Okay,
Chairman.
no.
When you look at the average, it would appear na pwede nga naman lumabas na 60-30-10. Pero hindi ko alam what conclusions we can make.
Okay, so in other words, Chairman, you are waiting for the investigation of COMELEC of that pattern. Hindi po
So
ba?
we're just checking on it because wala ko kami. Napaitigil naman namin eh. Well, yeah, we're checking on it.
Okay,
Chairman,
Chairman, what about the random manual audit? Meron na kayong resulta ng random manual audit?
Oo. So ginagawa na ho natin. Ang nangyari ho ngayon kasi iba ho noong 2010, we actually totally revised the system. We started immediately after the elections on the same night.
Of course,
Kumusta po?
that is what the law requires.
Kumusta po mga resulta, Chairman, sa inyong RMA?
So, nandito na ho, inaantay na namin, ina-analyze lang ng aming team. We actually trained special teams to go to the all 234 congressional districts. Ngayon ho, ina-analyze na lahat ito, kinokolate na namin lahat. And I'm checking with Commissioner Lim, who is in charge of this.
Chairman.
Meron po tayo may lalabas within the week.
Chairman, one more point. Ito hong 18,000 PCOS machines daw na nagka-aberya. Ang resulta daw po nito na-disenfranchise ang ilang milyong botante.
Tama nga yun. Sinasabi ko nga nagkakaroon ng misrepresentation. I don't know what 18,000, where the 18,000 came from. No?
Ilan po ba sa bilang ninyo, Chairman?
Sa bilang namin, meron no sigurong, tama ko yun, may mga nabeberya, ang aming bilang is less than 200.
Okay.
Wait, Chairman.
Kaya yung 18,000 nakakagulat to. Kahapon, meron din sabi na 1,005.
Kasi Chairman, ang pinag-uusapan po rito, yung mga PCOS machines that failed to transmit. Kasi hindi ba meron 2 araw, may 4 na araw na hindi nagtra-transmit? Hindi po ba?
Tama ho yan. Tama ho yan. Not looking at the transparency. Hindi ho yata naintindihan ng taong bayan. You're looking at the transparency server, which means PCOS direct to the server national. Hindi ho nila tinitignan na yung PCOS also serves to the municipal board of canvassers that goes up to the provincial and then goes up to the national. Ito yung official count.
Chairman.
Wala ho naman nagkakaroon ng problema sa transmission. Merong transmission problems, pero hindi ho 18,000. Meron
So 200.
Meron na mga machines na hindi nag-function kagad. Kasi pag hindi function, pag binuksan at 7 o'clock, sasabihin nila, sira. Yun ang report. Pero yun, hindi nag-function sa initialization. Tapos after 20 minutes, tumakbo na. Pero that is already as one. Pero hindi yun, tumakbo lang. Nagkaroon na po yung mali yung teacher, nagtumakbo rin after 15-20 minutes. Nire-report doon, hindi tumakbo kagad. So, kung gano'n ang namin, mapapastake ito sa 18,000. Pero at po yan,
Chairman?
Rayon, tumakbo lang, nahuli lang ang dalaw.
Chairman, maraming salamat po. Thank you for taking our call. Thank you.
Thank you.